Here, we will show you how to set the countdown timer on your new AEG Induction Hob with TFT screen. With the hob on, cookware in position ready for use, and the power set to your desired level, press your zone icon, followed by the bell symbol, and the timer menu will appear on the display. Next, slide your finger to select the desired time in hours and minutes. The timer runs to just under 24 hours. Check this box if you'd like the zone to deactivate once the countdown completes. Touch OK to confirm your selection, and the countdown will begin on your display. If you want to set multiple timers, simply repeat the process, but for a different cooking zone. Once complete, an audible alert will sound and the bell symbol will flash. Silence the alert by pressing the bell symbol. If you need any more help or advice, our consumer care team will be happy to help.